In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a landing page for your mini courses. This is a simple and fast way to get your courses in front of your learners and start collecting signups or sales right away. First, head over to your dashboard. You can create landing pages for both single mini courses and collections. For this tutorial, we'll focus on collections. Head to the Collections tab, select the collection you want to work on, and navigate to the landing page section. From here, you can either choose one of the ready-made templates or start editing your page directly by clicking Edit Landing Page. This will open up the landing page editor. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by editing the header. You can change the background image, adjust the alignment of your title, and even add your logo. Go into Settings, upload your logo image, and also update your favicon if you'd like. We have hundreds of fonts to choose from, which helps your landing page feel more personalized and professional. While you're in the settings, you'll also notice a few more options. You can optimize your page for SEO by updating page description and keywords, helping your landing page rank higher on search engines. In the Advanced tab, you can add custom CSS or JavaScript codes, like inserting your Google Analytics tracking ID for better insights. Now, back to the editor. If you're familiar with the course editor, you'll feel right at home here. You can drag and drop any block you want from the toolbar and customize it however you like. Let's add an image block with text. You can change the background color or choose an image as background. Change the image and edit the text to match the course theme. This is a great spot to introduce yourself as an instructor, helping build trust with your learners. Once you're happy with how your page looks, don't forget to click Save Changes. Now your landing page is live. You'll get a shareable link you can send to your audience, embed on your website, or include in your emails. If you want to take it even further, you can connect your own custom domain directly from the settings. You can even assign multiple domains to different collections if you're targeting different learner groups. Using a custom domain gives your page a fully branded and professional feel, making it even easier to build trust and convert visitors. That's it! You now have a fully customized, live landing page for your course collection, ready to share with the world. You can follow the same simple steps if you want to create a landing page for a single mini course too. Thanks for watching and happy course building!